here at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we are looking at a 2020 Indian Scout. This is in jade and black. It's got that really awesome gold pinstriping on it. Matches the Indian head logo on the tank as well. Indian floorboards. Some really cool saddlebags that latch. They are leather and they match the seat. And it also has a windshield. Nice and tall. It's going to keep all of that wind off of you. Miles are nice and low. We're at 1,093. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come take it for a ride.